In the world of technology, there are devices that are merely functional, and then there are devices that fundamentally shift our expectations. When Apple first introduced the iPhone Air, it promised to redefine the boundaries of engineering. An impossibly thin slab of titanium and power that felt like the future in your palm. Yet, for all its sleek beauty and revolutionary thinness, it left many of its early adopters wanting more. It was a bold statement, but it was also a product defined by its compromises. Today, however, the narrative is shifting. New, credible leaks from the inner circles of Cupertino have surfaced, revealing that Apple is listening, learning, and preparing to course-correct in a way that could turn the next iteration into an absolute powerhouse. Welcome back to my channel for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. We're talking about the iPhone Air 2, the device that is shaping up to be not just a refinement, but a complete resolution of the problems that held its predecessor back. Imagine holding the thinnest smartphone in your hand, but this time, it's not just a beautiful design piece. The biggest complaints about the original model centered on two critical areas: camera versatility and battery endurance. These were the Achilles heels of an otherwise stunning device. Now, reports from industry insiders indicate that Apple is tackling these issues head-on. The buzz surrounding the iPhone Air 2 suggests a radical internal redesign. We are looking at the potential addition of a second rear camera lens, specifically an ultra-wide sensor. This effectively turns the monocular vision of the first iPhone Air into a full, versatile photographic system. Why does this matter? Because for the professional creator or the casual photographer who loved the slimness of the first Air, but was forced to carry a Pro model just for the extra lens, this change is a game changer. It represents Apple admitting that style should not come at the expense of substance. But the ambition doesn't stop at the cameras. Perhaps the most significant challenge in maintaining such an ultra-thin chassis is power management. The original iPhone Air struggled to keep up with power users, a reality that forced many to rely on external MagSafe battery packs just to make it through the day. The latest leaks suggest that engineers have been working under intense pressure to solve this. Whether it comes from groundbreaking battery density improvements or significant efficiency gains from an upgraded, more powerful A20 Pro chip, the goal is clear. The iPhone Air 2 aims to be a device that doesn't sacrifice longevity for its minimalist profile. If Apple manages to pull this off, they are essentially solving the paradox of the slim smartphone: how to provide top-tier performance without the internal volume required for traditional cooling and battery systems. Consider the rumors about vapor chamber cooling. This is a massive leap for a device this thin. By integrating advanced thermal management, the iPhone Air 2 is expected to sustain peak performance for longer, making it a legitimate competitor to the Pro lineup. We aren't just talking about a minor tweak here. We're talking about a complete reimagining of what an Air-branded device can achieve. The display, already a standout feature, is reportedly seeing further refinement, with whispers of even higher peak brightness levels and a more seamless integration of the dynamic island, which could be downsized to offer a more immersive viewing experience. Think about the implications for the market. When the original iPhone Air launched, it was a niche experiment, a device for those who valued form above all else. But with these upgrades, the iPhone Air 2 is positioned to be something much more significant, a flagship-tier device that happens to be ultra-portable. The excitement in the community is palpable. Across forums and social media, the consensus is shifting from "it's too compromised" to "this is an instant purchase." Why? Because it finally balances the three pillars of a perfect smartphone: an aesthetic that feels like art, a battery that lasts through the grind, and a camera system that captures reality with depth. We also need to talk about the projected launch window. All signs point to a spring 2027 release, likely between March and May. This strategic move makes sense. By staggering the release of the iPhone Air 2 from the traditional September launch of the Pro and Pro Max models, Apple is ensuring that this device gets its own spotlight. It's a smart move that allows the technology within the Air 2 to stand on its own merits without being overshadowed by the iterative updates of the standard iPhone 18 series. For those of you who have been holding onto your older devices waiting for a compelling reason to upgrade, this could be the one. The design language, while largely consistent, is expected to see subtle refinements, perhaps even more durable materials or a slightly improved finish to the titanium frame that made the first generation so iconic. The iPhone Air 2 is not just a phone, it's a case study in how Apple iterates. They launch a product, they listen to the feedback, and then they refine it into something nearly perfect. The move towards a dual-lens system, the rumored integration of advanced cooling, and a continued obsession with maintaining that impossibly thin profile. It all speaks to a company that refuses to compromise on its vision. This device is shaping up to be the ultimate expression of the Air philosophy. It's light, it's fast, and now, it's finally ready for the real world. As we get closer to the spring of next year, keep your eyes on the leaks. The picture is becoming clearer every day, and everything we're seeing points to one of the most exciting Apple products in recent memory. Whether you're a longtime fan of the brand or a tech enthusiast looking for the next leap in hardware, the iPhone Air 2 is a device that demands your attention. It's solving the problems of the past to redefine the future of mobile technology, proving once again that in the world of Apple, thin doesn't have to mean weak. Stay tuned, because this is only the beginning of what promises to be a monumental shift in the smartphone landscape. The future isn't just arriving. It's getting thinner, smarter, and significantly more capable.